guys, and I'm back with another homemade vending machine, and this time it's a slime machine. So now I'm going to explain how everything works, but it's not a perfect machine. Sometimes the quarter falls down along with the glue. This side dispenses the glue, and then this thing over here is just something to pull it out if you don't want to, like, you know, reach your hand in there and like go all the way to the back. And then over here is the slime activator, which is like borax and water. And it's just a spray bottle, nothing special. So over on the top is where you refill, and it's really hard to open it up from the top. So you need to actually go to the back and open the vending machine, and then you just pop it up from there. I know I only showed you guys 2 demonstrations, but it actually fits 3. And so here's the inside. It closes through those tabs, and this one, it's very easy to make, so let's just take that out. We got the spray bottle over here filled with borax and water, and that's for the slime activator. And then over here we have just containers. So the thing moving side to side is the button, and this is the furthest you could push. And that's because I put hot glue around the button so you won't be able to push any further than that. And so your container would be sitting right there, and if you push the button, nothing happens. So in order for the button to push down the container, it needs to pass that like cardboard piece right there, so it needs to like push at least halfway. This is when the coin comes in. So basically what happens is when the quarter runs down the ramp, so obviously when the container is actually on the stand, the quarter won't fall. As you can see, the quarter is staying. That's the quarter. And so when you push the button, the quarter will push the slime along with it. So here's how it works. I put in the quarter, and then I just push the button from the outside, and then it falls in. Usually the coin just stays there, but sometimes it falls along with the glue. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys next time. Bye!